No es vieja, es joven.
Gilling on the 10.
40 y pico. Aquí se hace, aquí tuve mucho. Mira, Meli.
Hi guys. Today I'll be railfaning at a park. Let me tell you what's going on.
Ooh. I think that's the express to New Haven. That might be the local because usually what happens is the local is behind the express.
Take it away from here, the real voice,
Alright.
I guess.
So, here's a voice reveal. Anyway, hey guys, it is me, that Bus and Train Boy 2024, or if you want to call me by my old name, Greater Bridgeport Transit Authority fan 2023. I just thought it was too long, so I changed it. So today I'll be railfanning by the new Newfield Park.
Nah.
I had no idea there was this, but I don't know what park this is. But today I'll be railfanning here. So here we are. Let's wait for the next train to ride by, because I could have sworn I heard a K3LA. So my mind wasn't hallucinating. So there was a train, just didn't hear it. So that's the first train. First train for you guys. There's the second one. Before the next train comes, I just wanted to show you. When I'm over, I have not been here before. I'm kind of new to here. I have not been here. I'm telling you this now. I have never been here. But, right? Ew. Disgusting. What I said, what was disgusting? This. Ew. That's like a cage of disgustingness. Look at this lake. You can see all the shipping boats there. Look at this. You can see the road and stuff, all the benches. When I see like a little staircase right here. I don't know why this is here, but I think there's a lot of crazy stuff here that I'm willing to see. So enjoy the video, guys, and you better hope I get to see Amtrak 642 because I never saw it before. Well, I heard it, but I didn't see it. All right, next train. Here it comes, guys. Yep, there it goes. 125 leading. 63 something trailing. And that's the train to Waterbury. I was really thinking it'd be an Amtrak, but instead it's Metro North. Oh wait, that's an all blue. I got that before. Next train. If you're bored, here, I'll throw a stick into the water. Yeah. I missed. That was horrible. Find some more. Oh, I got a big stick. Yeah! Tiny splash. Alright, to the train. Here it comes. Oh, okay, that's the express. Oh, wait. We got wrong railing over here. What the heck? I just realized that the train is on the opposite side of the track. What's up with that? Huh. That's a bit weird. I guess I'm ending the video here then because my phone's about to die. I apologize, mates. Sorry. That Bus and Train Boy 2024. Out of here. Also, I forgot one more thing. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Again? Oh. Metro North and Amtrak. They racing. Who gonna get to Bridgeport first? That was sick. Metro North and Amtrak, they racing. Racing again. What is this? It's another 4-car. Wait. No, that's a 5-car. Honk your horn, honk your horn, honk. I can see the single car, so that's a... Wait. Oh, that's a 5-car.
Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And have a good summer.
Yeah, 5-car to New Haven. Slam on those rail joints, mate. '22 trailing. Wow.